Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete watched video history on Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just log in with your account and then do all the process. You can use your Netflix app or you can use your Netflix website. Once you do that, just go with the profile that you use to visit the Netflix with, and then you'll be in this particular platform. Once you are over here, just go to top right corner. You can see a profile button and then go to account from here. Once you are over here, on your left hand side you'll be having a profile option just below devices. Just go over here and then go to your profile and then go a bit down until you find viewing activity. Just go over here and then choose the one that you want. Let's say you are having deleted watch video history on Netflix, right? So let's say you watch this one, so you want to delete this one. Just go with this particular option and then this will be deleted like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.